people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about a credit card. Now this credit card can approve you all the way up to $5,000 and it can actually help you build your credit. So if you're looking to start building your credit and to build a relationship with a credit card company, definitely stick around because I'm going to tell you guys about this credit card. Now, my name is Rickita. If this is your first time watching my video, make sure you guys subscribe. And then also, I talk about credit cards. I have my real estate brokerage, so I help people buy. We actually have a client that's going to close in 2 more days, so I'm so excited about that. But I help everybody buy homes. If you're looking to buy a home, definitely contact me. I have a link down below where you guys can actually schedule a call. Go ahead and schedule a call with me and let's figure out what you want to actually do. Now, I listen to you guys. I know a lot of people have been sending messages and I've been listening. I've been looking at your messages. I've been really busy. You guys see me getting ready for my 5K, but I've seen a lot of people talking about the Capital One and the Navy Federal Credit Union not graduating. So I told you guys, if you want to build your credit, I always tell you guys, get a secure card with Capital One and Navy Federal Credit Union. Now the thing is, usually when you get a secure credit card with Capital One, they'll go ahead and give you a secure credit card, but in 6 months of on-time payments, they should graduate that to a regular credit card. So think of it like this. You put $200 down on it now, then we feel as if in 6 months, they should give you a regular credit card, maybe with $500 limit, $1,000 limit, but they'll send your money back, and then you don't have to worry about having a secure credit card anymore. Now you graduated to a normal credit card. So that's what you want to happen, right? And Navy Federal is supposed to be doing the same thing. So you start off with a $200 credit card with Navy Federal, and then they're supposed to graduate you in 6 months to a $2,000 credit card. Now this has happened for so many different people where it actually graduated, but I see a lot of people saying it's not graduated. I didn't have it for a year. I didn't have it for 2 years. It's still not graduating. So I definitely wanted to talk to you guys about another account in terms of building your credit. If you're not where you need to be in terms of getting a regular credit card, another credit card you can think about getting, or if you haven't gotten a secure credit card yet at all and you're looking to get a secure credit card, then this is like the perfect account for you all, because this credit card is going to graduate in 6 months. And a lot of people have been sending things in saying, yep, it's graduating for me. So definitely go ahead and check this out. Now, if you're having a hard time getting approved for any credit cards, it's probably because you need to start removing the accounts that's on your credit reports. If you have bad accounts, like you have late payments, you have charge-offs, you have bankruptcy, if you have inquiries, if you have repossessions, these different things need to get removed from your credit report so you can get approved for other credit cards. If not, you're going to stay watching these same videos about secure credit cards. And I'm just being honest with you. You're going to keep watching the same different videos. The thing is, you get these credit cards, do what you need to do for 6 months, remove the negative accounts from your credit reports, and then you can go into other credit cards where you can get $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 limits. That's the goal. So if you guys are looking to get accounts removed from your credit reports and you need help with that, make sure you guys sign up for my exclusive membership, because I give you guys the letters to remove the accounts from your credit reports, and on top of that too, we are able to actually send in letters to help you remove these accounts. So definitely go ahead and check out my exclusive membership. So the account I want to talk to you guys about is the US Bank Cash account. So I don't know if you guys heard about this account yet, but I really like it. I love the different rewards you guys are going to have. You guys don't have an annual fee with this credit card, and it's going to be easier for you guys to actually get in as long as you didn't mess up with them. And I'll tell you what I mean mess up with them. I'll tell you what I mean about that later. But with this account, you guys, you have so many different features. So let's go over the different things that they can actually offer. So the first thing is, you guys can get approved for this credit card, but you're going to get a hard inquiry. We always want to know that. You're going to get a hard inquiry. And a lot of people saying that they're getting a hard inquiry with TransUnion, or they may get a hard inquiry with Equifax. So just keep that in mind. Where, you know, if you guys apply for this, let us know definitely where you got the hard inquiry from, and now we'll all know, and I'll make sure I tag them, whoever actually tell us where exactly you're going to get that hard inquiry from. But just know that these can be the possible places that you can get the hard inquiry. Now for this credit card, you guys can get a credit card for $300 or all up to $5,000. So you can pick how much you want to put down as your deposit. And I want to read the statement that they actually put out about this credit card, because you guys, we are having a lot of problems with these credit cards not graduating. Now let me read what they actually said about graduating. So they said, we monitor your activity and regularly report your credit status to the 3 major credit bureaus. Spend within your credit limit and pay your bill when it's due. Over time, this will help you build your credit, and you may be able to automatically graduate to the U.S. Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Card. Upon graduation, your security deposit will be returned. So literally, they're telling you all what to do, and I've been telling you guys to do these different things with Navy Federal and Capital One. So if they didn't graduate, maybe you just didn't follow these different things, and I want you all to follow these, and you guys do what they say, and they will go ahead and graduate your account. Now again, 6 months is that time frame for them to go ahead and graduate. Now they have different rewards for this, so I want to go over the rewards that they do have. So first off, you guys are going to get 5% cash back in 2 categories that you go ahead and choose. So that's going to be on your first $2,000 in combined purchases, and that's going to be each quarter. So $2,000, up to $2,000 in 2 categories each quarter. So for those people that's like, oh my gosh, I don't really spend that much, then this can be something that you guys can actually do. It's only $2,000, so you guys can get up to 5% back on that. Now you guys are also going to get 2% cash back on your eligible purchase on things like the gas station, grocery stores, and restaurants. Now, I talked to you guys about the Discover It credit card. It's actually a secure credit card also, but I talked to you guys about them, and they actually give you the same 2% back, 2% cash back. So it's very similar to that, but I'm happy that you guys even have that reward. And then also, you guys are going to get 5% back on prepaid air, hotel, and car reservations booked directly in the Rewards Travel Center. So you guys, all of these rewards, all these different things that you guys can be able to get cash back with, and it's a secure credit card. That's not normal. Like, let me tell you guys about the thing I told you guys if you messed up with them. Let me tell you guys about my story. I actually had a secure credit card with US Bank before. Now I'm thinking about it, this was like I'll call it my 3rd credit card. So I had a regular credit card with a credit union for $200. I got that one, I messed that one up. I was fresh 18. I don't even know if I was 18. I think I was 17, still working at the bank. And then I also, I think let's count this as my 2nd one. I got a secure credit card with US Bank. I think I put about $200 to $300 down on it. It was just a regular credit card. They didn't have rewards back then. Like, what do you mean rewards? We didn't have anything special at all. But somebody actually spent the money on a credit card, and I felt as if they should pay it back. So I ended up messing it up, basically. They spent the money, and I was like, I'm not going to pay it, not thinking it's my credit. I should go ahead and pay it. But we didn't have any rewards or anything like that. So when I tried to get an account years ago, I think I said like a year after that, 2 years after that, they was like, nope, we can't give you a credit card. But I would say this is over 10 years at this point. So you guys, when I had my account with them, we didn't have any rewards. You guys have rewards, and you got major rewards. This is a regular credit card and not a secure credit card. So I definitely want you guys to check out these different things that you guys will have. And also, I want you guys to let me know whether or not you guys are able to get approved. Now, if you guys like this video, I think you guys will like my other video. Make sure you guys leave me a comment. Let me know if you applied for this credit card. Let me know if you ever had this credit card, any credit cards with US Bank. And don't forget, let me know who you guys are getting a hard inquiry with. Go ahead and drop it down in the comments. And I look forward to seeing you all later. Bye-bye.